Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafty Nurse Q. In today's video, I'm going to show you how made these savings challenges using my cell phone and the free version of Canva. If that's something that interests you, stay tuned. Thank you for staying here with me today. If you're new here, my name is Qvatis and I'm thrilled to have you joining me. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. All right, today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you can use your cell phone to make your own stuff and supplies and with the free version of Canva. And if this is something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave me some comments and share the video with your friends. And I'm going to go ahead and get right into this tutorial, guys. All right. Okay. All right, well, here we are in Canva, and you can see it's requesting Canva Pro, so that shows you that I don't have Canva Pro. And we are going to make a custom design size 3 by 6 because we're making a savings challenges. And I'm going to show y'all which element. I came across an element that you can use and it would be free. And remember I'm doing this on the on the tablet, which is the same as like doing it on your phone. So I'm gonna put here, I'm gonna type in, I want $sign. Okay, searching for the $sign, and like all of these are pro. You don't want to use any to say pro because you're trying to do the ones that are gonna be free. So we're gonna select this one right here. It is not a pro element. Drag it down to about 5 by 5, and let me show you what you can do here. You can edit this, and it's up at the top, the colors. So let's see, let's change that one to white and change this white to black. Now you got your $sign, and then that's going to be like that checkbox thing that you want to mark off or either color it in for. And I wanted one to be here. Okay, so we got that. Wish I knew how to drag these. It's harder to drag these on that's what I don't know how to do on here, is drag them. All right, so we've got 5 so far. We just continue going in, making the icons. All right, and here you'll just keep hitting that duplicate button that I showed you earlier and just continue to make sure that everything is lined up until you get the desired amount of icons that you want on your challenge. All right, let's put some text in here. Add a heading. Saving. Challenge. Okay. I could just say savings challenge. And then down here, you're just going to put, like what, $sign or something like that. I'm trying to figure out where it is on here. Let's see. There it is. However much you're trying to save and what the thing equals, right? $sign. And then it was the equal. from here you can pick whatever font. Something like that. When you're choosing your fonts while working in the free version, just make sure that you don't choose anything with the crown, because if you choose something with that crown, that's a pro element. And when you go to try to download, it's going to make you stop and it's going to keep asking you for a payment or to upgrade. So just make sure you stay clear of those things. And then from here, you're just going to hit this button to download it. And we're going to download this as, we're not going to do PDF print yet, we're going to do it as like a JPEG and download. Okay, so now it's just going to download in the background. Sorry, I had to blur it out because since I'm on my phone, anytime you hit like download or something and a picture is going to come up, it wanted me to like assign it to my contacts. So I just blurred that section out while we wait for this to download in the background. And then I'll be coming right back showing you what the next step is. I'm going to go to home. I think I just saw create a design, but anyway, we just hit custom size just in case you didn't know. And go back into inches. And so usually we print things on 8.5 by 11, which is just a regular card. You can just pick one of these over here. Anyone, that's fine. I'll touch the page, go over here to uploads. Right, upload. Hope it's not too much stuff in my library. Okay, here it is. So I have to block some of it out. Alright, so I'm just going to add this. And then this is the one I just did, so I'm going to upload that. In here, you see down there where it's telling you how big it is? So we wanted to get back to that 3 by 6, right? And then if you want to have 2 on a page, just hit it twice. And then I'm going to show you one more thing so that you know exactly where it is. Hit that button up there at the top. You can see where I just touched. I'll do it again right there. And let's do a border weight. Oh God. See that? Okay. Okay, let me just go back a couple of times. Okay. So I can see again what I did right here. Okay. This border I'm gonna use, but I don't know what weight this is. Was it just one? It might have been just one. But anyway, that's how you get where you have a border around these things. Just turn the, should be able to turn the border up and down. Okay, here it is right here. And I want it to be on one. I just want to lightly be able to see it so that we have the lines to be able to print. And this is what you would print and send to your printer as a PDF file. And you just send it like this. It says save as, but this is the download. Okay, so save as. And in here, PDF print. This doesn't matter because it's just going to be black and white, but the other one is for professional anyway. But with that crown, if you select that one, then you're going to have to pay for it on your way out. It'll give you an option to pay or to upgrade to the Canva Pro, which you right now it's they got try Canva Pro for 14 days. So if you want to do that and get all your designs that you want to use, you can do that too. All right, and you can see down here at the bottom is downloading. Oh Lord, I can't. And then I'm just gonna hit the print button, and then it sends it over to my printer, and I will just print. And from here, you'll be all done with your having your savings challenge. It's going to show up in a second what it looks like, and it was also at the beginning of the video. So leave me some comments and let me know if you understood everything that I went through in the video, or I need to go back and explain some things, or if I went a little too fast on some of it, or some of it wasn't as clear. But I love reading your comments, and I love being able to do these types of tutorials. And I thank you guys so much for sharing your time with me here today. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share the video with your friends. And until next time, make sure you check out some of the other playlists that I have. I have like a lot of DIYs, and I have some Canva tutorials, and those will be some things that'll be nice for you to watch next. All right, until next time, you guys have a great day. Bye.